Construction Plus Incorporated was founded in 1988, and it did not take long for local architects to appreciate the services that this new company offered.
Their integrity is very high. I think that's one of the enjoying features that they present to us in a project, is that they're on board from day one.
CPI's first $1 million project was for Dr. Jerry Fussell. Dr. Fussell wrote, "Sandy's integrity, professionalism, and customer service are rare among any profession, but he is head and shoulders above the competition in these areas. These characteristics separate the company, and I congratulate him on his commitment to those values." Deborah Vanderveer was a local real estate developer.
He has a terrific balance between being practical but still having a sense of urgency, which is difficult to find often with construction professionals.
Goody's Family Clothing Vice President of Real Estate, Bill Marks, had this to say about Construction Plus President Sandy Loy.
We did 169 stores, and he brought every project in on budget, and he looked after not only the dollars, but the nickels and the pennies.
It was comments like those that led to Construction Plus winning the Enterpriser Award for Innovation and Entrepreneurship, and an Excel Award for Growth and Leadership. In 1998, Sandy developed CPI's current headquarters. Through the years, Construction Plus built 3 projects for Power Systems Incorporated, and in 1999, Power Systems President Julie Pauletto noted, "I have used Construction Plus for all of my construction projects. Our third project with CPI was just as wonderful as the first 2. On time, under budget, and hassle-free. I would highly recommend them to anyone planning new construction or expansion." As the new millennium roared in, CPI emerged as a full-service construction management firm and would build 10 schools in the coming years. After building 3 schools for Greene County, board member Lena Enser said this.
A much more professional atmosphere. And the wonderful thing, both jobs were finished on time and under budget. And that's a big thing to the board and to the director and to the county as a whole.
Sweetwater Director of Schools, Dr. Keith Hickey, said this.
When we first met with the folks from Construction Plus, they told us they would solve our problems, save us money, and make the process an easy one. And they did all 3.
Claiborne County Director of Schools, Dr. Ed Schaffner, was thoroughly impressed and wrote this about Construction Plus President Sandy Loy. "He is a man of his word. He does exactly what he says he will do, when he says he will do it. His commitment to professionalism is second to none." In 2005, Construction Plus was awarded the first ever Pinnacle Award for Business Excellence. Construction Plus was the design builder for the Isarium in Farragut, Tennessee.
This was a really specific project. Nothing had been done like this in East Tennessee, and the way they worked with the refrigeration company out of Canada, certainly was just top-notch.
In 2008, Construction Plus President Sandy Loy became the very first certified construction manager in East Tennessee. In 2009, Construction Plus entered into the medical field. Cherokee Health Systems CFO Jeff Howard noted, "Sandy and his team were great. They worked well within our staff, architects, and subcontractors to build a high-quality building at a reasonable cost. I highly recommend CPI." In 2010, Construction Plus was, yet again, recognized for small business excellence, receiving the National Chamber of Commerce Blue Ribbon Award. For 2 years, Construction Plus worked with Covenant Presbyterian Church to design their dream church. The persistence paid off in 2011, as Building Committee Chair Kurt Jaudy states, "Sandy Loy built a new facility for our church and did a top-notch job. Working with a church building committee is always a challenge, and Sandy handled it perfectly." In 2012, Cherokee Health Systems called upon Construction Plus once again, this time to do what seemed impossible: build a state-certified crisis stabilization unit in 60 days. However, the CPI team worked around the clock and opened the facility in 49 days. Again, Cherokee CFO Jeff Howard was pleased with the results, saying, "I like the approach of the construction manager, in which he's basically working for us." As Construction Plus Incorporated's 25th anniversary approached, we asked CPI's eldest client, Dr. Jerry Fussell, to summarize his experience with Construction Plus. Spanning 3 projects in 23 years, he said, "Sandy has a company where reliability, quality, customer service, and respect are always the values that drive it."
Thank you for taking the time to stroll down our 25-year-long memory lane. We've been blessed to work with some of the finest architects, subcontractors, and vendors in the country, and we thank each of them for their critical contribution to our success. We continue to value the strength of the relationships we build with our team members and clients as much as the projects themselves. Thank you again for your time, and remember us when you, a friend, your church, or your business face a building challenge. Call Construction Plus and experience the difference. You'll be glad you did. I personally guarantee it.